Basement is close to river, which is polluting the environment. A report has been referred to, which is annexure.
Annexure 3A, my lord.
Annexure
2A, my lord. Annexure 2, page 46 पे हमारे operative portion.
The report to complete.
Because I am from Delhi, my lord. I'm before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
अरे आप स्टैंड कहाँ हो रखे ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
Supreme Court में, my lord.
वाह, टॉम छुपा रखा आपने. साइड हो जाओ, टॉम दिखने दो. ये ठीक है. मैं पूरा खड़े हो गए प्लाजा पे. ऐसा होता है. शूटिंग कर रहे हैं.
Because in item 65, I wanted to make a submission, my lord would permit. My lord, item 65.1 and 65.4, my lord, have been disposed of by the Honorable Supreme Court by a judgment dated 5th March 25, my lord. So 65.1 and 65.4 may simply be disposed of in terms of the Honorable Supreme Court's order.
Now all the petitions are, my lord, covered by that judgment.
Where is that?
There is a judgment passed in the transfer petition, and I am sorry it is not covered, my lords. I am only talking about 65.1 and 65.4.
Case 9.
Just one second, if I can complete, I'll request the learned counsels in the court. Just 1 second, please. Only 2 petitions have been disposed of by the Honorable Supreme Court in a transfer petition by a judgment of 5th March 25. The second last page clearly states, my lord, if my lord would see.
Case 9, para 9, case 9 lords.
That writ petition number so and so 24, both the writ petition, which is 65.1 and 60.4, stand disposed of. So I am only concerned about those 2, my lord.
The issue is the same. The persons who are married up by other petitions are claiming they are on the similar footing that the petitioner for 65 is
65.1 and 65.4. In fact, in this judgment, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has also said that the recruitment will not be disturbed. So therefore, I don't know how are the other submissions being made, because the judgment has been passed only for 239 candidates. The order is very clear.
Malad post are vacant. 280 posts are vacant during the pendency of this petition. They approached directly to Apex Court. Apex Court validated the 18-month diploma
Just hold
of
on.
all the persons.
Just hold on.
now the state issued this letter is also in person.
The relief.
ऐसे और भी तो पेंडिंग है. ये सब लगे हुए सब ने उसका बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं जो रिव्यू
Review with it as well.
ऑल दिस.
Those candidates who did 18 months
on or before 19.
Yes, and they were employed on 2017, August 2017.
No,
They would be eligible.
As a one-time
As a one-time. Already has been completed, shall not be reopened, but the applications have been considered who are eligible. This is a judgment in right. this eligibility has been.
Because that is incorrect. This judgment of Supreme Court is in persona. It is not in it is not a judgment in rem.
What is that, sir?
I am saying the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, which my lords are reading of the transfer petition. It is not a judgment in rem. It is a judgment in persona. The 3 paragraphs in the Supreme Court's judgment of 5th March make it clear that they are only applicable to 239 of us.
My lord, the reason behind this, why my learned friend is arguing that the petitioners who directly approached to Honorable Apex Court during the pendency of their petition, they are below in merit. And they have
No, I am sorry, that is incorrect.
considered they will be ousted.
That is incorrect, my lord.
My lord, on the basis of the Supreme Court judgment, now state government has given a decision. They are calling all the persons.
तो हो गया ना?
नहीं, 7 and 8 से ये कहा है. तो my lord, now suppose
Because prayer of Mr. Manjeev Kala and our is common in the writ petition. Now he says,
Same
because
demand, same prayer.
So, my lord, my prayer today is slightly different. I am saying that 65.1 and 60.1
Decided by Honorable Supreme Court on 6th March, which is the
5th
date?
March. 5th March.
5th March 2025.
249.
In TA transfer petition civil number 4243 of 2025. This is not the state of Uttarakhand.
This writ petition is
I am sorry, my lord, I got disconnected. It is 5th March 2025
Yeah,
in transfer petition 42 and 43 of 2025.
yeah, I just got it.
Yes, my lord, that is the short prayer I have.
The judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court has been rendered for benefit of the court. Let it be taken on record. In view of, since the petition, both the petitions have been decided, nothing is otherwise in this petition now. The proceedings are stopped, closed accordingly.
So deeply grateful, my lord, deeply grateful.
Yes, because since the petition, both the petitions have already been decided by the Supreme Court. That's all.
Well, so grateful, my lord, deeply grateful.
Now, what will happen with them, we'll see to that.
Very well.
But where have you kept your mobile on the ground or on the fence?
No, it is not on the ground floor, there is a table, my lord. It is on the table, my lord.
Table. Who has put the table on front of that?
My lord, there are tables throughout, my lord. In this, outside the gallery, my lord, there are multiple tables there, my lord.
Enjoy. Thank you, Karla. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
So grateful, my lord, deeply grateful.
Right, thank you very much. तो इसकी लाइट में तो सब तय होगी सबको कह दिया उन्होंने स्टेट नहीं नहीं अब तो इसने अलाउ कर स्टेट ने हाँ कह दिया
कहा तो इन्होंने डिटेंड बट मैंने they can take a different ground on the basis of the argument of the learned counsel who was arguing from Supreme Court. My lord, now they may be enlightened that they can say that it will be applicable only for the persons who went to Supreme Court.